Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing Burp Suite deep dive. What is Burp Suite? Burp Suite, developed by Portswigger, is a powerful platform for testing the security of web applications. It's widely used by cybersecurity analysts, penetration testers, and developers to identify vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and broken access control. Many of the risks highlighted in OWASP Top 10. Burp Suite acts as a proxy, intercepting and analyzing HTTPS and HTTP traffic between your browser and a web application. It's like a magnifying glass for web app communications, letting you inspect, manipulate, and test requests and responses. Burp Suite Community, free. Burp Suite Professional is a paid. You'll primarily focus on Burp Suite supports manual and automated testing to secure web apps for CySA Plus, right? Why Burp Suite matters for the CySA Plus. In CySA Domain 2.2 web application testing, it is about identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities in web apps and their frameworks. Burp Suite is a go-to tool because it finds vulnerabilities, detects issues like injection flaws, misconfigurations, or weak authentication, supports compliance, helps verify compliance with standards like PCI DSS or OWASP guidelines, enables proactive defense, allows analysts to catch vulnerabilities before attackers do, builds practical skills, prepares you for real-world security testing roles. So key features: proxy, right? You're capturing the data through a proxy. Spider crawler is the crawler in professional or spider in community maps out web app structure by discovering pages, endpoints, and content. Use case to identify hidden APIs or admin pages that might be vulnerable. How to use: set the target scope, example.com, then run the crawler to build a site map. We have scanners, which is professional use only. The automated scanner identifies vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, this is cross-site scripting, SQL injection, or insecure configurations. We have intruder. Intruder automates custom attacks like brute forcing passwords or fuzzing input. We have repeater. Repeater lets you manually modify and resend requests to test how servers respond. Decoder converts data into readable formats or vice versa. Comparer highlights differences between two requests or responses. How to use Burp Suite for web app testing: set up the proxy, define the scope, map the application, run automated scans professional, perform manual testing, analyze and remediate, document results. Best practices: get permission before you test these systems or websites, right? Start with passive scanning, combine manual and automated testing, focus on OWASP Top 10, optimize performance, stay updated, and learn the tools, right? Real world example for like an OWASP vulnerability. How to use the Burp Suite to identify web app vulnerabilities. The role of manual and automated testing and securing web app frameworks. How to interpret and prioritize these findings from Burp Suite. The connection between testing and compliance. So really, when you're mastering these tools, you're mastering web app vulnerability testing so that you can find these vulnerabilities on websites. This is something that like a pen tester would do, right? But you still need to know it in general and for real world skills, right? So even though it's more of a pen tester thing, looking for vulnerabilities, you as a blue teamer, cyber analyst, need to know how to look for those vulnerabilities as well. Thank you everybody for watching. Please comment any of your questions, concerns down below. I really look forward to looking at your comments. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.